Making another viral video. Got this game, South Park Stick of Truth, Grand Wizard Edition. Liking the KKK reference. Always been a fan of them. This thing cost me like $80 on Amazon. And the goodies it comes with, they're only worth like maybe like $10. Well, got the little figurine. Oh, this thing is sweet. Shit, how the fuck do you use on? There you go. Yeah. So look nice. Up here. There we go. Let's see what else came with it. Oh yeah, the map. Hand drawn and shit. Probably gonna get this framed. I had a friend that took that to the Skyrim map. Canada. When you go up there, just hate it. It's obviously hand drawn. It's the first game I've gotten since like COD goes. Yeah, I don't feel like reading this shit. Fuck. Oh, I just can't crack this case. Yeah. Necromancer, Sorcerer, Ranger, Elf, Holy Defender, Rogue Assassin. Oh, it doesn't say anything about the G-Rays. The game got fucking fun, isn't it? Blood and gore, drug reference, mature humor, nudity, strong language, strong sexual content, violence. This should be fun as hell. Especially with my new Xbox. Yeah, started buying Yu-Gi-Oh cards and e-cigs. Probably do reviews and like openings of those. Shit, I gotta go back to school. Yeah. I'm wiping my computer hard drive. 3% already. For like 20 minutes. Pretty good.